one question that sometimes comes up is, once you've had Bellafill, because it's such a long-lasting filler, can you do other treatments? For example, can you do laser resurfacing before or after Bellafill treatment? The simple answer is yes, you can. The reason is that, first of all, the Bellafill is actually placed in a tissue plane that is deeper than where the laser treatment is going to be affecting your skin. So physically, they're in different tissue spaces, so that makes it safe. Moreover, the actual sort of melting point, if you will, of the PMMA, which is the long-lasting part of Bellafill, is much higher than the heat of a laser. So even if there was a direct interaction, you wouldn't be compromising the Bellafill as a product anyways. And in general, I love using the combination of fillers and skin resurfacing. So it's actually a great marriage between the two and provides really nice results.